Hi students, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to learn a new poem from the third unit. The name of the poem is The Quarrel. Okay, hope that all of you had completed the Tharo's Reward Unit 3. The first lesson, do you remember Tharo's Reward? Okay, I gave already to find out 20 words from the paragraph. Okay, complete that, then study also those words, then complete your question answers and study also. Then today we are going to learn this poem. This is a poem about quarreling, fighting each other. Okay, you know that quarrel means fight each other. Then this fighting each other we can do through our words. Okay, we can fight with words. One will say one, the other will say no, this whatever you are saying is wrong. No, this is called fighting through the words. Then we also fight with our hands also, no? That is also fight and quarrel. Okay, here the poet is fighting with his brother. You see, the name of the poet is Eleanor Farjeon. Okay, Eleanor Farjeon. He is a poet, one who wrote this poem, and one day he quarreled with his brother, and he wrote this. After that, he wrote this poem. Okay, in the family or in home, the children will fight, no? Together, whatever they, sometimes for the things, sometimes they fight each other for simply things. For petty matters, we can say that in petty matters we started to fight, then after it becomes sometimes very serious. No? Now we are going to see this poem. It's a common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. Means it is a common, very common to see that brothers and sisters are quarreling. Although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. No, if we will go to ask, what happened to you? Why are you quarreling? Sorry, why are you quarreling? But they don't know the answer. They will say he said like that. Then other will say she said like this. But there is no reason why they started. They don't know. Okay, but how long do such quarrels last? The poet is asking this type of quarrels, how much it will last? How do they end? The end of that quarrel, how will be? Okay, now we are going to learn what is the poet is saying. Okay, poet quarreling with his brother. I quarreled with my brother. Here, I means I indicates the poet. Poet is the I. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. Understood everyone now? He don't know what is the reason. One thing led to another. It is a start. One thing I said, then it came to another thing. Means one thing led to another. And somehow we fell out. Fell out means started fighting. By saying 2-3 words each other, but it became a fighting. The start of it was slight. Means when we started our saying, whatever we said, after it was a very slight, means it was petty thing. It was a petty matter. We can say in English petty matter, petty things. The end of it was strong. Means the end of it became very strong, very serious. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Okay. Poet is saying that his brother said he was right. But poet is saying I know he was wrong. Okay. We hated one another. Means because of this quarrel, both of them are hated. The afternoon turned black. Means it started on the morning. In the morning the fighting started. Means afternoon turned black means the night already came. It's already in the evening. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Okay, it's already evening. Then what happened? His brother, poet brother, thumped me on the back, means put the hands on his backside and said, oh, come along, means oh, let us stop this. Okay, oh, come along means let us stop this. We can't go on all night, means we cannot go like this full night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Then poet's brother said, I was wrong, you are right. Okay, then both are accepted. Once more I will read the poem. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, oh, come along, we can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. The poem written by Eleanor Farjeon. Okay, please students, please everyone read this chapter at least 2 times. Okay, this is a simple poem. There is no more difficult words are less. Anyway, when you read this poem, at least find out 5 word meaning, 5 words difficulty. For example, slight, fell out, okay, turn black, thumped. Okay, these are the difficult words you can find out in the dictionary. And when you write in the fair copy, you can write the name of the poem, unit 3, the quarrel, and write this 5 word and that word's meaning also you can write. Okay, then after the word meaning you can write this one. Okay, now we will discuss it. Working with a poem. We have to work with the poem. Okay, with your partner try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. Okay, first one. And somehow we fell out. Here is fell out is underlined. Okay, fell out means started quarreling. The afternoon turned black. Turn black is underlined words. Turned black means night came. Okay, the second one. Read these lines from the poem. One thing led to another. This is the words from the poem. One thing led to another. What it is meaning? Reasons started one after another. One thing led to another means reasons started one after another. The start of it was slight means started with minor things or petty things. You can add minor or petty things. The end of it was strong, meaning it became serious in the end. It became very serious in the end. Next one. The afternoon turned black means night came. Fifth one. Thumped me on the back. What is the meaning of thumped me on the back? Finally, the quarrel came to an end means both are agreed the mistakes of each other. Okay, both are agreed the mistakes of each other. Thumped me on the back. Okay, these things also you have to write in your fair copy. Then the third one, everyone should do yourself. This is a homework for you. I will read. Describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? Okay, you should write what are the matter of the quarrel, then with whom you quarrel, with your brother or with your sister. Then finally how it came to an end. Okay, this is, you can write in 5 or 6 lines. Okay, this third answer you should write. Now, once more I will repeat in the copy. First everyone read the poem 2 times, then write in your fair copy the name of the chapter, and I said already the 5 word meaning you should find out, then that question answer. Okay, the question answer I will put in the WhatsApp. You can take from the WhatsApp. I will put in the WhatsApp. Then after you do the third one yourself. That is your homework. Okay students, please read everyone. Okay, thank you so much.